Asuntosköyhtiö ja Luhtikatu.
So this is the hospitality 2024. Yes, the staircase. G in this building, only the staircases E and F left to be filmed here. It's amazing, also built in the beginning of 1970 by ValmetSchlieren, December SPS 2125. And I love the smell here.
Same.
And the sounds are amazing too.
Yeah.
But for some reason the staircase is D&D are from late 1969 with M6.
Yeah.
So it's a bit more interesting, and it's in Liipola, Lahti. Lahti is Finland as well. The rest is 4 plus, I think 20 grams.
Inspirert kiva, inspirert med ett par koner.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. I hope we get the last staircases E and F as soon as possible.
That's